Hi, I'm Shanmukhi. I'm from banking practice. I'm working as a software engineer in a banking practice, so innovating new solutions to the problems in an everyday basis. One of the Hexaware's values that resonate deeply is innovate relentlessly. Innovation is not just coming up with the new ideas, but developing culture where creativity and the problem solving comes up. So constantly coming up with the new ideas, finding the better ways to approach the solution fast for the problems. So this value inspires me a lot to create a lot of solutions in everyday basis. Hexaware has a significant impact on my career growth through various programs like Sonic programs, trainings and learning and development schemes. So these programs helped me to stay updated with the latest technologies. My favorite hero is my father. He taught me a quote, confident in defeat, humble in victory. Through this quote, I learned how to overcome the situations and how to face it.